I have spent most of my life in the formal education system. But up until today, where I'm in my master's program that is supposed to prepare me for a multitude of jobs, the main part of my day looks like this.
Commence system shutdown.
If that is what is supposed to prepare me for my future job, then I wonder, where did the saying, practice makes perfect, get lost? Because, at least in my studies, all we have to do is theoretical work. The whole day we read or create scientific work about management science, sustainability, innovation, but until this day I have not done any practical task that will be actually applicable to one of my future jobs. But it is like the saying goes, practice makes, and in this case I would slightly change the saying to practice makes progression. Perfectionism is a flawed concept in itself and a whole nother topic, but practice does lead to progression. That is inevitable. If you practice, you will progress. And that is what it's all about, right? I mean, we want to get closer to our vision. Be it, I don't know, a finished custom bike or just a simple oil change or anything like that. Maybe a welded battery case, because that's what we're going to do today. We're going to practice summer welding, and I hope to encourage you with this video to do the same. Because especially on the internet, it sometimes seems like people have it all figured out. And that might be the case, but let me tell you, those people have put in so much time before it seems like that, because everybody starts at zero when they want to learn a new skill. There's no shortcut, you just have to put in the hours to get somewhere. And simply thinking or learning about something theoretically won't be enough. You have to make the first practical step and experience it. And I know from my own experience, trust me on that one, that it can be very daunting to do the first step. Setting the first weld, cutting the first time into your motorcycle frame, or also just loosening the first nut on your new project. But it is this step that gets you closer to where you want to be, because only if you take the first step, you can then take the second step. And I get it when you say that you're terrified, because I've been there and I will probably be there many more times. But trust me, you just have to do it. You've got it. And with that off my chest, let's practice some welding. So I've just welded this ceramic leaf holder. Let's see if it actually holds anything. Not the most beautiful welds, but for this one I think it is okay, and I don't know, just a way to practice. That's the leaf which will go on there, and then it will be like a bird bath, something like that. Let's see. Nice, my first useful thing that I've welded.